The market is not your enemy, but these deadly mistakes are stealing your profits and making you blow your accounts. You are wondering why you keep losing money in the market as a trader. Sometimes you feel like the market is against you. No, the market is not against you. These mistakes, most traders don't even realize they are making these mistakes until it's too late. If you have ever blown your account trying to stay profitable or struggling to get started trading forex, crypto, derivative, that's synthetic, or Weltrade, this video is for you. In fact, the number 3 mistake is a silent killer, and most people don't even realize this, that they are making this mistake.